Hello, did you ever see this error message, Pluto TV coming soon? We're sorry, but Pluto TV is currently unavailable in your location. We're working hard to bring Pluto TV to this area, so stay tuned to find out when. So, if you see this error message, then obviously you cannot use Pluto TV to watch any live TV or movies. But there is a very simple solution, and the solution is a VPN, a virtual private network, where basically you can choose where you enter the internet. I'm personally using ExpressVPN, which is a paid service, and I have a list with recommended VPNs below in the description and in the comments. So if you're interested in those, then you can just go and click on those. For free VPNs, well, there are a lot of nightmares and problems with spyware and so on with free VPNs. So you can try, but I'm not recommending any free VPNs because I don't want to be responsible for you having been hacked or having some hacker doing some criminal acts through your internet connection, and then you're going to prison or whatever. So I only recommend premium VPNs, and the good thing is you can choose many locations. So I'm just going to show you, you can go just to recommended, so you have a list of some recommended locations, or you can check all locations, and then for the US you have, I don't know, over 20 different locations. And I'm going to just use the Washington DC location, but with some streaming sites you might have a problem when you use the Washington DC entry point, or like maybe also in a few months or weeks you might have a problem with the first one, but then you can just choose another one, maybe Los Angeles, maybe New York, maybe Chicago, and then try again. Usually there are some which are working. So now I'm connected. This also means I'm completely encrypted now. So my whole internet connection is completely safe and encrypted. And now I'm trying to reload this page, but Pluto redirected me to a different page. So I have to delete all the other stuff. Thanks for watching. And now I'm reloading Pluto TV. Pluto.tv, and as you can see, it's already running, which is one annoying thing about Pluto TV. Let's go to on demand. Let's choose something. It's basically it's impossible to stop. I think like once you started something, they're just playing non-stop, and you cannot just stop it. I have no idea how to stop the player. It's a little bit annoying, but as you can see, it's definitely working. And I can reload it, but it just starts to play. So basically, below in the description, here I have a video how to watch US Netflix, but you can click on more and see the list, or you can go to the first comment and see the list with VPNs. You can install ExpressVPN and the other VPNs often on all systems: Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, on your router, on your Chromebook, on your Kindle Fire, so you can on your different browsers. So you can use these services for any device. So also for game consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. So you can use the services for any device, and then on many countries. So Viper VPN also offers like a list of a lot of locations to enter the internet, and even also NordVPN. Like there, here you have a list of all the locations in the US. So basically, you can watch Pluto TV anywhere on the planet, and then once you start it, you cannot stop, basically. At least I did not find the stop button, which is a bit annoying. So watch now. Okay, I think, yeah, like for movies, on-demand stuff, you can just stop it, basically. You can press the pause button. So that's one thing, but I cannot show you a lot more, or I cannot show you the videos they're showing, the TV shows, but as you can see with ExpressVPN, it's working, and if it's maybe not working with one location, then you can choose just another one in the US. And the same thing works for Disney Plus, Netflix, Roku, and also Tubi, Crackle, Peacock, and Sling. Well, I'm showing this like I'm just having here the error messages because I'm making videos for all of those. So, but as you can see, it's working definitely for Pluto TV. And then what? Oh, this is an advertising, right? Anyway, so and Roku and so on. Well, anyway, so below you find the links, and I hope you enjoyed this video.